Best bites forever.
Hey everyone, what's up? In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this yummy, spicy candied bacon. I am starting off here with a half of a cup of brown sugar, and to that I am adding a teaspoon of chili powder, along with a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon and a 1/4 of a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Of course, if you would like for your candied bacon to be even more spicy, you can up that cayenne pepper a little bit, or maybe even add some black or white pepper to this. Once I get that nice and mixed up, I'm coming over here to my bacon. I have this on a foil lined sheet pan. I've also sprayed some Pam underneath the bacon, and then I'm just going to put my brown sugar mixture right on top of the bacon until I have a nice layer. This is going to go into my oven at 350 degrees for 15 minutes, and then I'm going to take it out of the oven, give it a little look and see how it's going. If it needs to be flipped at this time, you can go ahead and flip it. I'm not going to flip it this time. It went back in at 400 for about 5 or 6 more minutes, and this is what it looked like when it was all finished. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and I'll see you in the next video.
Bestbitesforever.com